Boy, this suspension was a struggle. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my favorite kind of a video, a how-to video. So I was really tired of struggling with these shocks. I was actually installing these and removing the other ones from my car, and this is really a struggle. They are so tight and you really have to compress them somewhat, a few inches at least. Well, you have to compress the shock to actually get it out of the car, or you have to compress it to install it into the car. So I was doing a strongman type of removal and installation, and I'm finally giving up. So I'm letting my engineering strengths to shine here. So what did I figure? You just have to use a strap like this and kind of wrap it around the bottom. Well, I guess it's so obvious to somebody. I was just, I guess, either too lazy or I wasn't thinking, which is often the case. So you take this thing, hook it up here. Well, basically you just do this. Well, maybe I should go this way. Is it going to be more obvious if I go this way? And sometimes you have to use gloves. And you just do this. You just have to be careful not to do damage. Look how much shorter it is. Yeah, that's really easy. Well, I guess extracting this would be, well, I still can, I guess, wrap the strap around the top when the shock is in the car and tie a knot and do the same thing. So now the shock is compressed and you can actually put it in the car, which I guess I will demonstrate. Why not, right? So this is the top. This washer goes on, and then the lower part of the upper mount. So now this shock goes into the lower mount. Look how much space we have here. So that's an easy in and out. So if you compress the shock this way, you can just easily slide it in, slide it out. And now you have to undo this. Boy, this thing is fighting. These shocks are so tight. I don't recall factory shocks to be this tight. Kind of always remove them without struggle. I don't recall suffering this much. Well, with the straps, cargo straps, it's much easier. So now undo the knot. There it is. And all I have to do now is to install the lower mounting, whatever bushings and nuts. I'm using these titanium nuts. They are like super light and also corrosion resistant. So the shock is in. So the next thing is to install the upper part of the upper shock mount, and I guess I'm going to turn the shock this way so the sticker faces the wheel, so it makes it look good, doesn't it? Well, that's it for this video, I guess.